Understanding the code. The main function. Every Dart program starts execution from the main function. The void keyword before main indicates that this function does not return a value. Declaring variables. Variables are declared using data types like int, integer, or double, decimal. The variables number1, number2, sum, subtraction, multiplication, and division are declared here. Rules for declaring variables. Use meaningful names to describe their purpose. Start variable names with a lowercase letter. Use camel case for multiple words, e.g., number1. Avoid special characters in variable names, e.g., $, Assigning values to variables. Variables are assigned values using the equals operator. Here, number1 is assigned the value 1, and number2 is assigned the value 2. Performing arithmetic operations. Addition. Sum equals number1 plus number2. Subtraction. Subtraction equals number2, number1. Multiplication. Multiplication equals number1 asterisk number2. Division. Division equals number2, number1. Important note, the result of division is a double, so the variable division must be declared as double. If you declare it as int, it will cause an error. Printing the results. The print function is used to display values in the console. Each variable's value is printed line by line.